Today on World Water Day, March 22nd, a beautiful day here in East Texas, I want to share a few quick thoughts with you. My apologies if I speak too quickly, it's a bad habit. Did you know in 2010, the UN General Assembly explicitly recognized the human right to water and sanitation? Do you understand what that means? Everyone on this planet has the right to the following: clean water, sufficient water, continuous water, physically accessible water, and affordable water for all personal and domestic use. Everyone. Yet 8 years later, 2018, almost a billion people still lack this. Let me repeat that. Almost a billion people still lack this. 159 million people last year had to get water from nearby streams and rivers. 2 billion people last year used drinking water that was contaminated with feces. Contaminated drinking water directly caused the death of 500,000 people last year. It's estimated by 2025, half of the world's population will be living in a water-stressed area. Just think about that for a moment. Half the world's population. So what have you done today to conserve water? Climate change, whether you believe it or not, increasing water scarcity, population growth, demographic changes, urbanization, they all pose significant risks and challenges to our water supply. As we run low on fresh water, as recently witnessed by the crisis in Cape Town, South Africa, water technology innovations are a critical need for us all. One often overlooked area, though, is the reuse of industrial wastewater. So here's the thing. While the analysts focus on the daily fluctuations in the price of oil and natural gas, they rarely ever mention the enormous amounts of produced water energy companies handle daily. Honestly, it would be more of an accurate description to say that most oil and gas wells are water wells that produce associated oil and gas. Nobody likes to hear it, but it's the truth. Lake Livingston, the third largest lake in Texas, literally right behind me, is roughly 1.75 million acre feet of water, 13.5 billion barrels of water. For us oil industry folk, that's about half the size of all the recoverable oil from Prudhoe Bay, Alaska. But did you know that the oil and gas industry produces more than 26 Lake Livingstons a year at a cost of handling and disposing of over $500 billion? Over the last 20 years working in this business all over the world, produced water is single-handedly our biggest generated waste stream. As a firm believer in the circular economy of make, use, and return, I see an enormous opportunity of turning a waste stream into a value proposition. A value proposition not only in helping operators reduce their operating expenses or even reducing or eliminating the need to inject produced water back underground, which incidentally has been linked to causing earthquakes in places such as Oklahoma, but most importantly, potentially finding an alternative source of water for billions of people. Feel free to comment and share your thoughts below. Love to hear them. Please share our video too. If you've got a few moments, go to our website at www.ocota.com. Sign up for our email updates. We've got some really exciting news upcoming about our patented technology that we're almost ready to roll out. Thank you again for a couple minutes of your time today, and here is to the World Water Day.